Greetings, Earthlings. Tonight I have some Panda Express. Got me some lo mein. Got some onions in there. Beijing beef with orange chicken. Looking pretty good. The noodles looking a little pretty dry, but I got some sauce. I'll take care of that. Panda Express was one of the top comments for the next mukbang, so here we are. Got me a spring roll. Look how huge this spring roll is. Looks good. And I got me 2 other egg rolls. I don't know what these are, but we about to find out. And then lastly, we got a cream cheese ragoon, one of my personal favorites. They don't have any crab in them, sadly, but before I start, check out my drink. This is a medium. Bro, she told me this and I was like, bet. This was like a large. Got me a sweet tea, of course. Sweet sour sauce. Start out. Down my plate. They didn't have any duck sauce, which was kind of disappointing. And I'll comment down below how much I spent at the end of the video. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to take a bite of this gigantic spring roll. Got the sweet and sour sauce. Mmm. That's a good egg roll right there. Let's try some of the beef. Beef and noodle. The beef has a nice texture to it. It's not too tough. Has a little spice to it. Let's go in the noodles. Let's see what they're talking about. Mmm. Got some soy sauce right here to fix that right up. What the hell? What the hell? How do you open this thing? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I just squirted all over myself. Pause. I need some napkins. Ugh. Bounty, the quicker upper shall help. Side note, if you like action movies and you have Hulu and you know who Jason Statham is, the bald Australian actor, he's in The Expendables and stuff like that. Good actor. There's a good movie on Hulu called Wrath of Man. Check it out if you're interested. The movie is above PG-13, so be advised. Noodles. That soy sauce gave it a nice salty flavor. I found me a piece of pepper. Let's get this orange chicken. Woo, that pepper had some heat to it. Woo! Orange chicken. Good flavor. You gotta get all the sauce out. Now let's try these egg rolls. Put in the sauce. This one's also veggie. Okay. I thought it was gonna be beef or something. Now let's try their cheese ragoons. Put in the sauce. I think it needs more cheese. If you're still watching, comment down below how your 4th of July was. Mine was pretty shitty. I worked a double. Yeah, not a few beers. 1, 2, 3 beers. I'm gonna put the sweet and sour on my noodles. Oh yeah. Let's try that out. That's good. When the lady was taking my order, she was asking me what I wanted for my entree. And she said lo mein or rice, and my fat ass said yes. I didn't even realize that was a question. She was like, "Sir, you gotta choose." And I was like, lo mein. So I was like, so I got lo mein. Not a big rice guy. One more bite. Got me a fortune cookie. The time's running out. All right. All right, chat. A stranger's kindness will surprise and delight you. Okay, bet. Say less. Praise God. And lastly, how much did I spend on this whole entire meal? I spent 23 bones. That ain't too bad. I still got some work to do, but I couldn't eat fast enough. I'm still gonna punish this though, low key. Comment down below what you want to watch next for a mukbang. And I appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.